Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, community, whatever. Man, I had to take a little styrene break, in other words, or machining break, and glue some styrene. I guess is more what I'm saying. I just was getting a little burned out on the machining stuff. I've been so involved in writing code and purchasing more tooling and spindles and trying to get into a mode where I can do a little more production style machining. That's one thing about that machining equipment, like the Shurelines and things, is you've got to take in consideration how much you're going to spend on tooling and bits and things like that. It could easily equal or outclass the price you paid for the piece of equipment if you really wanted to, But it's just kind of as you go type thing, just like modeling and paints and everything else. It's just in the, you know, you're just spending a lot up front. But I decided I'm going to build the little Tamiya 148th Komatsu Bulldozer. I've built a couple of these Tamiya 148th kits in the past, and they are wonderful, wonderful kits. I mean, they go together well. They're highly detailed, but yet they're not overladen with parts and tiny pieces. But they, once assembled, they look great. For people that don't do much armor or military vehicles and things like that, it would be a great introduction to pick up a kit or two of these. They got tanks, vehicles, aircraft, things like that, and they go together very easily, and they give you a good opportunity to play with, military colors and weathering, and just a different style, different techniques from building, cars and things like that. I had built this is the Deuce and Half GMC. Um, Went together wonderful. I had a lot of fun building it. I mean, it was just actually fun, fun to build. I mean, everything went together well. There's no chopping, modifying, painting individual pieces, and all that type of stuff. It's basically put that sucker together, try to do a nice job of it, and then get in there and do a little bit of detailing and stuff. And it's just enjoyable. It's relaxing. I really enjoyed that kit. Another one, I'm not sure if it's in the same series, but it's still a Tamiya 148th, is the Buzz Bomb, the V1. Practiced a little bit of airbrush fading and little panel line work and stuff, and just a tiny bit of weathering. The little cart I kind of weathered a bit and rusted. I know you can't see it very well. I've got a video showing these somewhere in more detail. But, so I went ahead and picked up this little bulldozer because, again, I want to do a little chipping and weathering, sponging, tweaking, planing. So I picked it up. Let me see if I can pull this up here. Yeah, there it is. So I picked up, well, this way. Yeah, camera's backwards, but the Tamiya little Komatsu Bulldozer. Now, this is a little guy, and I started on him, and I had him assembled pretty much in hour and a half, and that was kind of taking my time. So let me show a little bit of where I'm at. I mean, it's pretty well assembled. Let's see. Now I left these. Let me switch things around here. Hold on a second. There we go. I left this the lower parts off, so I can get in there and do some detailing, painting, and whatnot. Before I go and assemble this onto the model. And here she is. Nice little detail. Went together just fell together essentially. I mean, there was no hiccups whatsoever with this thing. But it's got, even up in that little cockpit there's some nice little details and foot pedals and gear shift knobs and whatnot. So I'm gonna this here just kind of, you spread it open and it snaps on. This is about 5 pieces, I think, or maybe about 8 pieces, I would say. The figure is 5 pieces. Kind of tiny. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'll get some color on them. But I guess and there's a little bit of photo etch here. Now this little emblem. Let's see if I can get this in the tweezers. This little emblem, this is some little photo etch, chrome looking photo etch. Let's see if I can, whoop. Okay, I'm gonna have to edit that. All right, you can see the little emblem there on the bottom right. That goes on the front of the vehicle. I don't know where these other pieces go, these little discs. There's a couple of lights on here, but there's only one disc that's about that size, so I don't know. Now, what next step is gonna be I'm gonna spray it with a black primer. I'm gonna use this Duplicolor black primer. Just lightly mist it. I'm not gonna go put too much paint on it. And then it looks like from the instructions, it's saying that it's sort of a gray, a light medium gray, I guess. I've got the Model Master neutral gray. See if I can show that. Model Master neutral gray. I'll go over it with that. And then there's a darker gray. This is sort of an olive drab grayish mix that goes on the bottom. Now I may lighten that, or maybe put a little of this in the other color and do the bottom. I'm not sure what it's meant by the lower part, but I guess it means, you know, around the tracks and whatnot, the bogies and all that. But I'm going to do a little rusting, so therefore prior to that I will be putting on top of the black, I'll be putting on, sponging on some various little bit of rust and stuff. Not sure what colors I'm using for that yet. And I'm going to just do a little, just tiny bit of, not go all out. It's a pretty small kit, you know, so. But I'll do a little just weathering, trying some various little things. And then I will probably go over it once I get that completed with one of the clay washes from Floor Models. I use these a lot. I've got most of the colors. I use this. This is that black. I use this or the dark gray for doing panel lines on cars. No mess, man. You can paint the car, get her all done prior to clear coating. Rub that stuff all on the panel lines. Let it dry. Take a Q-tip or a cloth, wipe it off. Man, instant panel lines. Is not affected by the clear coat or anything, and then the clear coat kind of homogenizes it and everything. But anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at. So we'll see you here in a bit, and after I get a little bit of color on it and start doing a little weathering, maybe I'll put together kind of I don't know if it would be like a little slideshow, or maybe just stitch together a little, just quickie sections of what I'm doing. I'm no pro at weathering, but anyway, thanks for watching. As always, thanks for all the subscriptions and comments. It's a great community out there. All the communities, you know, armor, militaries, miniatures, sci-fi. You know, I watch videos from a lot of these different communities, and it's just generally great communities out here. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.